Hello. Are you looking for a small shrub that's evergreen that is for a smaller area in your yard? My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping, and this video is about the Foxtail Fern. We really love these shrubs. They're absolutely beautiful. Their common name is Foxtail Fern, and there's an Asparagus fern that's very similar, but the foxtails, what I like about them is they have these shoots, these branches that are all evergreen, and I'll put some images and some B-roll on this video so you can see what I'm referring to. It's just a short shrub that just clusters in, single plants that are, get about 24 inches tall, anywhere between 1 and 4 feet in diameter, but they're just absolutely beautiful. Very, very low maintenance, hardly any maintenance at all for these shrubs. They're thornless, they don't have any litter. They have these tiny little white flowers that are followed by like these little red berries sometimes. And you can see them, they'll bloom more in the springtime, but they're really a great shrub for, tiny areas near walkways that have some partial shade. They really thrive. They're a full sun shrub, but they really thrive in like an evening shade or just some sort of partial shade. But they're also frost tolerant. Like I said, they're evergreen. They're green all year long. They can take a pretty hardy frost here in our desert climate, which I've noticed. They don't thrive as well in the winter as they do in the summer, but they're green all year, which is what makes them so nice. They, the watering, I would say it's just your typical average watering for your regular shrubs. 2 to 5 times per week, depending on the season. And I'll be sure to add a link to my recommended watering schedule for all typical plants, azlawns.com/watering. They're non-allergenic, they're not poisonous, they're just a great shrub. So if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. Our website at azlawns.com. Subscribe to our YouTube page and our Facebook page at AMS Landscaping. Also follow us on Instagram and Twitter at azlawns. Make it a great day.